CET has been around at Entrust since 2004. Our first go-around to CET was a challenge. We had previously been providing services for children, and now we were providing services in the adult world, and things were about to change. A number of our clients were, a number of our people that we served at our agency were moving up from children to adulthood, and now we were realizing what was required to provide services for adults. Lots of things we'd never considered before. And once we met with CET and started working through the process, we realized what a tremendous opportunity for growth of our agency this would be. As an organization, has been a huge support for Entrust. There has been hundreds of emails and calls that have gone back and forth between our organization and ACDS. And truthfully, the result has been us becoming a better organization. We have learned how to better serve people in Alberta because of the standards that have been given to us. One of the things we've been surprised about that's been so great is the amount of patience that we've been met with as we've really pushed ourselves to become better. The standards are all-encompassing. It seems that there are thousands of them. And so as a result, we have incorporated hundreds of new policies, dozens of new procedures and practices, everything from HR to financial policy and practices that make us who we are today. And we can feel proud as an organization to have the structure that we have, and we know that it's because of the support that we got from ACDS. Entrust is an agency that grew from a very, very small agency to now a medium-sized organization. And we feel great that we can grow to meet the community's needs. And that's what we have seen in terms of benefits. With growth come a number of problems to an organization. As soon as you start to grow, there starts to be questions about sustainability. And there becomes questions about cohesiveness of practice and quality of supports. And I think ACDS has been there to remember the standards and to go to the standards and always remember the standards when we are growing in our organization. And I think those things have kept us grounded and kept us providing quality services. So documentation is something that we have always knew was important because of the CET standards. And so when we started to look at our documentation practices at Entrust, we knew that we could make changes that result in better services for folks with disabilities. And so taking what we knew about the standards in CET and taking with our enthusiasm for technology, we developed a database that allowed us to collect information day to day that was conventionally done by paper and pen. And so knowing what we knew from the standards and taking into account what we knew from technology, we were able to create a system that would provide us notifications and real-time information about people we were serving so that we could hasten the work towards the outcomes that these people really want in their lives.